what I was thinking, I was looking at the map earlier, okay? But you see all this area out here. Maybe it's something we can discover. But it is a long way, so I've actually asked another friend of mine to come on in and give us a hand. It's the local taxi. It's right over there.
Yes, I'm not using these snowshoes for anything more.
Hey! Hit your lift, hit your lift.
I've never been on one of these before, so yeah, it's exciting. I just don't know where we're going or what we're going to do.
Haha, that makes two of us. Woo! This is going to be fun. Onwards! Woo! Everybody! Snowmobiles are a way of life in the Arctic. And this frozen lake is used as a highway throughout the long winter, connecting local communities. With ice almost 2 meters thick in parts, it's frozen for almost 8 months of the year. What a way to travel!